Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Today we're going to show you how to use the emergency controls for opening and closing your tracks on our CTE Traxxas 230 or 75-foot machine. Pretty easy to do. A couple buttons you spin in and tracks come right in, so you can go through a door or through a gate or whatever you got to get back out of if you disable your machine. So same thing as always for the emergency controls. Turn your engine key on, turn your battery disconnect towards the engine and the key switch below towards the engine. And then we are going to go ahead and start the machine. Make sure you thread in the top valve all the way until it stops. And then for bringing the tracks in, it's the valve right below the lever. Just go ahead and thread that in all the way. See the tracks sucked in. Now you can see the tracks are in. If you needed to extend the tracks then, it's on the opposite side of that valve. So I'm going to thread that one all the way back out. Alright, and now still having this top valve threaded all the way in. So this guy right here, thread that bad boy in still. And then if you had to extend them, opposite side, second valve down, thread that in. And you can see the tracks are extended. And once we're done, we're going to thread the valve back out on the top. And we'll turn the machine off and power cycle it. And once it's back on, you are good to go.